hand-built V12 sedan with reclining rear seats, a champagne cooler, and craftsmanship that rivals Rolls-Royce for $200,000. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class delivers exactly that. This is automotive opulence for those who refuse to compromise. Let me show you why this might be the ultimate luxury sedan. Meet the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Starting at $208,300, this ultra-luxury sedan represents the pinnacle of the three-pointed star. The exterior presence commands respect without shouting. That signature Maybach vertical slat grille dominates the front, finished in chrome and crowned with the illuminated Maybach emblem. Sleek LED headlights provide a sophisticated gaze, and available two-tone paint options like the Edition Emerald Isles Mid-Ireland Green over Moonlight White creates stunning visual impact. This isn't just a stretched S-Class. At over 17 feet long with a 126.6-inch wheelbase, it's engineered specifically for rear seat passengers. Chrome trim flows along the side, 21-inch forged wheels make statement, and illuminated door sills welcome you with the Maybach logo. This is a vehicle designed to be seen arriving. But the magic happens in the back. The executive rear seat package transforms this cabin into a first-class lounge. Individual power reclining seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions coddle passengers. Extend the leg rests, recline up to 43 degrees, and enjoy the kind of space usually reserved for private jets. Between the seats sits a refrigerator maintaining perfect champagne temperature, because why not? Fold-out tables in genuine wood or piano black provide workspace or dining surfaces. Ambient lighting with 64 colors sets the mood, and the Burmester 4D surround sound system with personalized sound delivers concert hall acoustics. Up front, dual 12.3-inch displays run the latest MBUX with augmented reality navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and natural voice control. Nappa leather wraps every surface. Genuine wood trim adorns the dashboard, and 16,000 needles worked in perfect harmony to stitch this interior. This is craftsmanship elevated to art. Under the hood, you choose your statement. The S580 packs a hand-assembled 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 48-volt mild hybrid assistance producing 496 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds with effortless power delivery. But the crown jewel is the S680. A 6-liter handcrafted V12 producing 621 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This is one of the last V12 sedans you can buy, assembled by master engine builders in a falterback. The power is intoxicating, the sound is subdued elegance, and the acceleration feels like being pushed by an invisible hand. Both pair with a silky 9-speed automatic and 4-matic all-wheel drive. But the real magic is E-Active Body Control suspension. It scans the road ahead with cameras and adjusts air springs individually before you reach imperfections. Potholes vanish, the cabin remains serene, and in Maybach mode, comfort reaches unprecedented levels. Rear axle steering up to 10 degrees makes this 17-foot sedan surprisingly agile. The cabin is library quiet. Triple sealed doors, acoustic glass, and active noise cancellation create an environment where conversations happen in whispers. This is automotive serenity perfected. Safety is comprehensive with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and pre-safe collision preparation. 9 airbags and ultra-high-strength steel provide ultimate protection. Bottom line, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class delivers Rolls-Royce levels of luxury for significantly less money. Starting at $208,000 for the V8 or $245,000 for the V12, this handcrafted sedan offers reclining executive seats, one of the last V12 engines, and craftsmanship that borders on art. This is the ultimate expression of the three-pointed star. Hit like and subscribe for more ultra-luxury reviews.